40, 30 frames per second.
How do I go? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already going.
What? It's recording.
Yeah.
We didn't ask it to record, and it recorded.
It's 10 seconds in.
I can see the timer on the front.
Oh.
So anyways, I left the memory card to the Sony camera. I almost called it Samsung. To the Sony camera at home. So now you gotta record on the GoPro. I don't prefer it. The GoPro editing software sucks. Anyways, we're headed to the track. We're gonna try and beat the 12:46 that I ran in the last video. You probably didn't watch it because no one really gives a shit. No, I'm just kidding. I hope people give a shit, but no one really gives a shit. All right, so we'll just see. And quarter-mile run. Oh, no. So it's F body on F body, and we're both red F bodies. Do I have to have the visor down?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
What about you?
I do too.
Oh, okay.
I just want to breathe right now, so.
True. I have friends here. I don't want a bracket race, but I guess he said it's like bracket racing. I don't know what I can run. Getting that nervous pee again, and I just peed before we left.
It's normal.
I know. Should like
Left.
yeah, I know. I know the left lane. We're gonna wait for this guy. Oh, he's got skinnies. We're fucked. Doing his burnout here. All right, here we go. Reeling them in slowly. Thank you, sir. 12.5 at 115. Oh my God, I beat him. I beat him by 0.003 of a second.
What?
Yeah. Look. I can't believe I beat him. What?
Flip this up.
Babe, there's a right here, look.
I can't do it.
Really?
Oh.
Look. I hit a 1980 60 foot, which isn't very good. My reaction time was twice his. Look at the 330 foot. But my mile an hour, oh, I hit 6 miles an hour on him. I didn't beat my last time, but I beat him by 0.003. Holy shit. That was a close race. Well, at the finish line, it was close.
The finish line was very close. I didn't think we did it.
I fucking nosed him. I beat him by like the decal on my bumper is how much I beat him by. Without the decal, I'd have lost. Holy shit. All right, well, the launch was terrible.
Yeah, that was not good.
Fuck, that was bad.
It was real bad.
I floored it.
It was real bad.
I floored it. I don't know what I revved it to, but I just fucking gunned it, and it was like, ah!
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm like, all right. Fucking rock and roll. All right, next run. GoPro, stop recording. straight to the floor. Yeah. It couldn't take the launch. I revved it to the fucking moon.
It felt really good.
No, it was roasting the clutch. I revved it to like fucking 5,000, and then right as the light was changing, I was flooring it and dumping the clutch, and I saw the RPMs stay up near red line, and then when I went to go grab second, nope, clutch went stuck to the floor, and my shifter felt like shit. Well, that's the weak point, if you think about it. Because you always find the weak point when you try and beat the fuck out of it. That was my clutch.
Like I figured.
Yeah. Thanks. What's my 60 foot?
We were in the left lane?
Yeah. No, right lane.
What?
Is that even my fucking time?
Wait a second.
Let me see. So there goes that. Am I replacing clutch? No, not yet. It drives fine on the street. So I'm gonna ride it out for a little bit longer. I'm going to 2 car shows tomorrow, and I'm just gonna drive the car like a normal person. Just be real nice to it.
What a lie.
I'm gonna be nice to the car.
Okay.
It drives fine in the street. Okay, so clutch replacement videos are obviously in the future, but other things are coming first. Oh look, my YouTube fans are messaging me because I'm so famous. There's so many. Okay, bye.